Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2014 Range Rover from any screen. If you can either click nav here, or if you're on the home screen, you've got destination entry there. Just click destination entry. As I was saying before, really simple controls on the Range Rover, dead easy to use, really intuitive. So all you have to do then is postcode, Weir Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. And again, it goes to numbers. Some sat navs don't go to numbers, and you have to mess about changing over. But this does. So it's PR5 for some sat navs with, if you've only got 2 numbers in the postcode. Some sat navs you have to put a space in, but again, you don't in the Range Rover one. So PR5 4JS. Click OK, and then go. Destination's been set. It says it's saying destination's nearby. Well, it's very nearby because we're sat in the forecourt. But that's how you do it. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Range Rover Vogue. From any screen. I don't know if you're in audio or whatever. Just wait for that to clear. You can either go to phone here, or you can go to home menu. If you go to home menu, it's showing there, please connect to phone. Well, there's no phone connected at the moment, and I want to delete one, so we'll just click on there, and you'll see there Barry's iPhone. That's highlighted, and there's delete next to it. So click delete Barry's iPhone, yes, and that's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Range Rover Vogue. First of all, we have to make sure that Bluetooth is on. So Bluetooth on there, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. It'll already be set to pair, but I'll just go through the motions anyway. So you can either go to home menu, and there it says please pair phone, or straight into phone, and it's saying search for new. So into phone, search for new, vehicle to device. I do always make it hard for myself because it was paired before and I've just deleted it, so sometimes it takes a little bit longer, but you can see there it's come up on the screen. Click to pair and connect phone, enter 5878, so 5878 pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, so allow. Range Rover connected, the phone's connected to the audio system, and now the audio system's connected to the phone. That's how you do it. Now, one of the other great things with this system is, if you go to, I'm going to turn this down, if you go to iTunes, you'll see there at the bottom Range Rover showing. If you just click on the circle and the triangle and the circles there, you'll see Range Rover showing. So back onto there, over to the system, click onto audio video. You'll see here it's actually already showing, it's already playing what's on my iPhone. But if it's not, there's a plus by source. You click on the plus, and that gives you the option to swap from auxiliary, USB, stored CDs, or whatever. So as I was saying, it's going to play through here. It's paired. Click on source, click on Barry's iPhone or whatever your phone's called. We'll turn that up. I'm controlling the actual level of sound from my phone. It's turned down at the moment, but if I turn that up now, it's fantastic sound system in here. Really simple to operate, and a great system, and a great car. Thanks for watching.